Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Viewers, the round frame Christmas centerpiece. This Christmas brings warm and wonder to your home with a beautiful round frame centerpiece and delicate designs that feel like a snow globes come to life. It's minimal, modern, and full of Hollywood charm. The frame and base start with a circle metal or wooden frame attached to a small wooden slice base. It's give the perfect rustic touch and make your design feel ground and nature. You can leave the wood or lightly paint it white for a snow finish, adding magic to the frame. Now wrap a soft ribbon or ring around the frame for texture. Decorate the top with a simple bow, white, silver, or golden depending on your theme. This will give the piece that gentle handcrafted Christmas feel. Ornament and greenery hang small Christmas bubbles across the lower half on the circle. Mix shiny and golden, matte, silver, and glitter texture to creative effect. And spark add delicate dry flowers or forest leaves around the ornaments to balance the design. Soft, airy, and wintry. The mini then below. Now it's time to create your little Christmas story at the base. Place a tiny wooden house, Christmas tree, cut out, or maybe a reindeer figure. These small details make it feel like a cozy winter village sketch inside a frame of magic light. And final touch for the finishing touch, wrap a thin line of fairy lights around the frame. When they glow, the wall piece shimmers softly as if by moonlight on a snowy night. It's peaceful, elegant, and full of Christmas spirits. Gentle, emotional tone. This round frame centerpiece remind us that beauty need to be loud. Sometimes it's in the quiet glow, the simple shape, and the warm we creative at home. A piece that captures the heart of Christmas, claim, bright, and endless beautiful. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So viewers,